Good morning, Dingles Crypto. What another fantastic day in crypto. We reached all-time highs for Bitcoin once again. Oh my God, every single day. All-time high, all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. Absolutely insane. But we're going to be talking about Tether today, which is kind of like Bitcoin's Achilles heel. But I have a perspective that might be different and surprising and might be actually not that bad, guys. So make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for the latest crypto news and updates, as well as I do DeFi exploration series where I do deep dives into DeFi protocols, as well as crypto insights, which are a little bit of opinionated crypto pieces on different topics. So let's just jump right into some news. So first of all, the market cap of the total crypto ecosystem is $1 trillion, which first time ever. Absolutely amazing. I'm happy to be a part of it. Obviously, I think we won't hold $1 trillion forever. We will come back down and then break it again and hopefully hold it. Obviously, it's nice to be above 1 trillion, but it's a little scary too. But let's jump right into Bitcoin's price. Holy 37,000, guys. 37.2. Holy cow, guys. 10% day after day is not normal, and it's also a little scary. Once again, we have to be careful. If you're getting into the market right now, I will be honest with you guys. Don't get into the market. You might miss out on a little bit of gains, but we will see a retracement. And that might be the time where you do some dollar cost averaging in. Be patient. Patience is rewarded in the markets. Be patient. And let's talk about Ethereum now. 1210, absolutely insane, guys. We could see a little more price action here before the dip. I mean, absolutely insane, guys. We were just at 200 just a little bit of, like this summer, guys. Absolutely insane. Can't believe it. I love it. Now Chainlink's popping. Everything's popping. DeFi is popping. Polkadot ecosystems are going to be popping over the next couple days. Absolutely awesome to see. It's just insane, guys. It's just awesome. It's euphoria, and that is exactly what you want to be scared of, is euphoria. And this is euphoria. If you have never experienced euphoria, this is it. And you have to start mitigating risk, because the market is very high risk right now, although it's always been pretty high risk. But it's time to kind of take a step back and understand where we are. And also, once we see a retracement, here's what I want you to remind. If you're just getting into the market, maybe you got in recently, I want you to be reminded of what really matters. So let's listen to Bob Marley, because Bob Marley, he's a pretty insightful person. So let's listen to him on today. Woo. He just got asked, "Are you a rich man?" And he replies,
"I mean rich, what you mean?
You have a lot of possessions, a lot of money in the bank.
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life forever."
Are you a rich man?
Are you guys a rich man or woman? I mean, that's just what you need. Money does not solve many problems. Maybe it'll put you at financial ease, but after that, it's kind of pointless, guys. I mean, money will only bring a certain amount of happiness. You have to find happiness within yourself. And hopefully our Dingles community can provide some sort of happiness or somebody to lean on when you need somebody to lean on. And if we go into a little crash mode, some people are going to be very, very much in pain, especially if you got in the market recently, guys. So just we're here for you guys, and just be we're going to hear a retracement here soon. It might be painful. But just in PayPal's Bitcoin buying and selling. Now we're going to start with the bullish news, guys. We got to get the bullishness going again after me saying that we're about to crash and burn. But just in PayPal's Bitcoin buying and selling is nearly 500 million in weekly volume and 80 million in daily volume, up 5x since November. People are buying on PayPal and Robinhood and Grayscale. I mean, basically anything that says Bitcoin, people are buying into. That's retail. That is individuals that might not necessarily understand Bitcoin, but they see price goes up, I gotta buy in. That's what they're telling themselves, and unfortunately these are the people that are going to lose their money. and because we're going to see a crash, and then they're all going to go crazy and start selling, and oh, we're crashing, and then they're going to sell and they're going to lose their money. If you can hold, you might be able to make some money in the long term, but you have to hold or get in when everybody's crying. Now let's go to some Grayscale. So Grayscale buys $4 billion worth of crypto assets over the last 7 days, guys. $4 billion. Holy moly, guys. Woo. Their total Bitcoin holdings now over 20.41 billion, pushing its all-time under management to 24.03 billion. I mean, absolutely insane. Once again, these are the people that it's tough. It is definitely tough. These are more institutions kind of deal, maybe family offices, but this PayPal and Cash App and Robinhood are all retail, right? So just keep that in mind. Next, let's talk about Tether. Tether, man. Tether is a problem, in my opinion. It's tough. It is tough because this in 2 weeks from now they have a case. I mean, are they going to be declared a security? Because if they're declared a security, I mean, they're just printing money, guys, left and right. So U.S. Treasury to consider stablecoins a security, and that basically means Tether's a security. I don't think it can not be a security, guys. I mean, it's obviously a security, but does that matter? It matters a little bit. Okay, relax. Tether won't be targeted by SEC, says Bitfinex CTO, but Bitfinex is tied. It's like they're sleeping with Tether. So obviously, you got to be cautious. A lot of crypto people, individuals, I mean, Bitfinex's CTO, they lie. I mean, obviously, they would not tell people that they don't want to be a security. So they're going to say, we're not a security, right? People lie in crypto so much, it's disgusting. You gotta know how to tell who's BSing. And I mean, I think this is BS. I think they will be declared a security. But what would happen? What would happen if they were declared a security, right? Would anything change? Ask yourself that. Would anything change? Would Tether stop printing money? Nah. Why wouldn't they stop printing money? Because you can literally... Okay, so let's read this. I put this in my news yesterday, but why don't CEXs, centralized exchanges, directly integrate with Uniswap? And Uniswap is decentralized exchange. So where can Tether be used? On decentralized exchanges, even though it's a security and it get delisted from centralized exchanges, right? So no Tether on centralized exchanges, but you still can use it in DeFi and everything else because they can't take it off DeFi. They can't take Tether off DeFi. You just can't. I mean, you can't do that. Unless it's tough. You can't do that. I don't think they will be able to do that. So that means Tether will still be able to act normally, in my opinion, and Tether will still be able to be on Ethereum just fine, which basically means Tether can still be printed and pumped and prop up the market, especially wrap Bitcoin, right? So that's my opinion. I think in the short term, if it is declared a security, you will see that might be the cause of the crash. But in the long term, I think Tether will still be there, especially in DeFi. So long term, I think it's kind of neutral, maybe a little less than neutral. But I mean, short term, it could definitely be painful if USDT is declared a security, right? So let's go to breaking news. XRP Army has stormed the SEC's headquarters. Oh, shit. Dude, what happened today? Absolutely insane, guys. I'm not going to get much into it because it's just insane. Obviously, that's not good what happened today, but I just thought this was funny. XRP stormed SEC headquarters. You gotta laugh sometimes, guys. Now let's go Hayden Adams. All-time high, almost all-time high volume on Uniswap. Insane. Gas prices are insane. We'll see optimistic roll-ups come out here soon. Maybe March, so not super soon, but it is what it is, guys. But that is all the news. Comment below what you believe will happen with Tether, because that's the most critical thing on on the platform right now in terms of possibly crashing the market, as well as a possible lockdown that maybe Biden gets into office and then he's like, oh, there's a new strain of COVID. Let's shut down the country for 6 weeks. I could see that happening as well. Those are the two things, my two primary worries that could crash the market overnight. So keep your eyes on that, and I will try my best to keep you updated. So make sure you subscribe and like, because my subscribers are correlated with Bitcoin's price. So as long as I keep going up, Bitcoin's price should be going up, right? So now follow me on Twitter too, and also join my Discord. All that stuff is in my description. Go ahead and click the links and join, because we're talking crypto all day long, every day, all day. Peace.